Hi friends, how is you all? I hope you are all fine and good. So dear viewers, today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish, modern bob with bangs haircut designs. Latest and stylish, you will see unique, attractive girls bob with bangs, haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. So you will see in this videos 40 plus stylish, unique haircut designs, front, back and side pose, modern bob haircuts, decent tight haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. 40 plus stylish, unique haircuts ideas. So lovely viewers, I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see in this videos decent dyed haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, you will see in this video before and after haircuts ideas. Very stylish, different haircuts designs. So guys, I might suggest it, just keep on watching these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring stylish haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, unique, beautiful girls bob haircuts designs. Top stunning and stylish, beautiful haircuts ideas. Very attractive and very stylish, unique haircuts designs. Long layers and short layers, attractive haircuts. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoying all very attractive, beautiful bob haircuts designs. So lovely viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoying all unique haircuts designs. So lovely viewers,